Welcome to this short mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable seat, either on the floor or in a chair, and close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall of your belly. There's no need to change your breath, just observe it. Take a few more slow, deep breaths at your own pace. Now bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice any tightness, aches, or areas of softness without judging them. See if you can feel the points of contact between your body and the floor or chair. Just continue observing the sensations. When your mind wanders from the breath and body sensations, gently bring it back. This happens to everyone. Just continually redirect your attention with an attitude of kindness and curiosity. Take a moment to broaden your awareness to sounds you can hear in your environment. Without labeling them, be aware of tones, volumes, pitches. Now gradually let go of concentrating and relax your focus. While still maintaining an open, accepting awareness. Notice how you feel after a few minutes of mindful breathing and awareness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and reconnect with your surroundings. This simple mindfulness meditation helps anchor us in the present moment. With regular practice, it can provide many benefits like reduced stress, improved focus, and increased self-awareness.